Ginkgo biloba L information. Ginkgo biloba L is a deciduous tree that belongs to the family Ginkgoaceae. It is also known as the Maidenhair Tree, and it is one of the oldest living tree species on Earth, with fossils dating back to over 270 million years. The tree can grow up to 40 meters in height, and its leaves are fan-shaped with a characteristic bilobed shape. Ginkgo biloba has been widely used in traditional medicine in China and other parts of Asia for centuries, and it has been studied extensively for its potential health benefits. The leaves of the Ginkgo biloba tree contain a complex mixture of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids and terpenoids, which are believed to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective effects. Some of the potential health benefits of Ginkgo biloba include improved cognitive function. Ginkgo biloba has been shown to improve memory, attention, and other cognitive functions in some studies. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginkgo biloba may have anti-inflammatory effects, which could be beneficial for a variety of conditions, including asthma, arthritis, and cardiovascular disease. Antioxidant effects. Ginkgo biloba is a potent antioxidant, which means it may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Cardiovascular benefits. Some studies suggest that Ginkgo biloba may have cardiovascular benefits, such as improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. While Ginkgo biloba is generally considered safe for most people, it can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, antidepressants, and anti-seizure medications. It is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before taking any new supplement or medication, including Ginkgo biloba.